Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the QuickBooks Workforce app, a powerful tool designed to help you manage your workforce and streamline your payroll process. The QuickBooks Workforce app is a free mobile app that allows you to access your employee data, review and approve timesheets, and manage employee information on the go. To get started, you will need to download the QuickBooks Workforce app from the App Store on your mobile device. Once you have downloaded the app, you will need to sign in with your QuickBooks Online credentials. If you do not have a QuickBooks Online account, you will need to create one before you can use the app. Once you are signed in, you will be taken to the dashboard, where you can view a list of all your employees and their current work status. From here, you can click on an employee to view their details, including their contact information, job title, and pay rate. One of the key features of the QuickBooks Workforce app is the ability to review and approve time sheets. To do this, click on the Timesheet tab and select the pay period you want to review. You will then see a list of all the hours worked by each employee, along with any notes or comments they have added. You can approve or reject each timesheet individually, or you can approve all timesheets at once. Once you have approved a timesheet, it will be synced with your QuickBooks Online account, where you can use it to run payroll. Another important feature of the app is the ability to manage employee information. You can add new employees, edit existing employee information, and even terminate employees, all from within the app. To add a new employee, click on the Add Employee tab and enter the employee's details, including their name, address, and job title. You can also add notes or comments about the employee, such as their hire date or any special instructions. In addition to managing employee information, the QuickBooks Workforce app also allows you to track employee time off. You can set up different types of time off, such as vacation or sick leave, and track how many hours each employee has taken. Best practices for using the QuickBooks Workforce app include setting up regular reminders to review and approve timesheets, and using the app to track employee time off to avoid any discrepancies. You should also make sure to sync your app regularly with your QuickBooks Online account to ensure that all your data is up to date. By following these steps and using the QuickBooks Workforce app to its full potential, you can streamline your payroll process, reduce errors, and save time. The app is designed to be easy to use, even for those who are not familiar with accounting or payroll, and it is a great tool for any business looking to simplify their workforce management.